We've got a presentation starting here in just a moment, so come on over and join us. I'll tell you all about all of our brand new Hyundai A-line of wheel loaders. So come on over and join us, and we'll go ahead and get started. Performance Series engines already comply with the International Stage 5 emissions control standard. That means they're the cleanest running diesel engines on the planet. The next generation of even more friendly products that are currently offered by current US manufacturers. So I'll tell you a little bit about the technology behind these two engines. And I also invite you to stick around after the presentation and spend a few minutes with the team here. They can answer all your questions about the amazing new power technology that fits in with Hyundai's world-class expertise in equipment design and engineering and manufacturing. So here's the bottom line. With the new A-Series machines, you'll get better performance from a smaller, lighter machine. How much better? Well, our field tests show you can expect more than a 10% increase in power and a 20% increase in torque compared to previous engines, all while using less fuel. So that's big. So you may be asking yourself, why bother complying with Stage 5 guidelines? They don't apply yet in the US. Well, that's true, but that's not the only reason they're important. In addition to also satisfying the Tier 4 final requirements, the Cummins engines featured in the A-Series models offer a simpler installation with lower installed costs. So who doesn't like simpler? How do they do it? So without getting too deep in the weeds, the Cummins performance engines use the newest after-treatment system, calling it the single module. The system combines the best combustion and air handling technology. So they don't need to recirculate the exhaust. So you might say, so what? Here's what. This approach results in big reductions in size and weight compared to earlier models, which makes the engines more efficient without sacrificing power, and the system is easier to maintain. In fact, these engines reduce emissions almost entirely by passive regeneration. That means no impact on equipment operation and no operator intervention. So there's a word for that, and it's spelled S-M-A-R-T. So do you like what you're hearing about the new A-Series models? It's not all talk. We've got the goods. Here you'll see the new HL930A XT wheel loader right here, along with the upgraded HL970A model that joins the A-Series lineup. And that's not all. Outside you'll find two more A-Series wheel loaders, the HL940A TM and the HL980A. So the new HL930A XT right here wheel loader, it's aiming squarely at utility and construction jobs. And the XT stands for extended reach. So it has longer arms for dumping over high-sided trucks and hoppers. And it has an operating weight of 25,135 pounds, which puts it in the 12 metric ton class. It has a standard bucket capacity of 2.5 cubic yards and achieves 130 net horsepower at 2,200 RPM through a Cummins B4.5 performance diesel engine equipped with certified Stage 5 emissions control. Like other HL series wheel loaders, the XT gives you a combination of performance, convenience, serviceability, and safety that will make it a popular choice. Hyundai Performance is built on innovation, world-class engineering and manufacturing, and components and systems sourced from trusted global suppliers. So, what else is new about the A-Series wheel loaders? I'm glad you asked. You might know that the HL Series wheel loaders have an onboard weighing system, and the A-Series offer a newly upgraded version of that system for improved precision and weight calibration. The benefit, better production management. New production feature is Eco Report. This gives you information on the wheel loader's operation status based on operator performance. So the operator can use the analysis to adjust behaviors and achieve greater productivity and efficiency. Smart Power Mode is another new feature. It reduces fuel consumption by adjusting the engine speed in heavy-duty applications, such as digging. and not only saves fuel while delivering full power mode performance, but also balances traction force with brakeout force for more productivity. But wait, as the info, hey, there's more. They also upped their safety game. These models use radar to detect rear obstacles day or night and without blind spots. The radar also reports on the status, moving or stationary, of the nearest obstacle or friendly Hyundai spokesmodel. Another new safety feature is the emergency stop switch located at the bottom of the operator's seat. And this will shut down the engine at any time the operator determines it to be necessary. And the new remote control door option lets the operator remotely open the cabin door for improved safety and performance. So that's an impressive list of improvements and benefits. Can I tell you about two more models? You're being such a great audience. Okay. Well, I hope you'll come back for our other presentations also later and beyond. But first, we have the HL970 HD XT, which is it's a long one. It's a heavy-duty upgrade of the HL960 model. The HD stands for heavy duty, and the XT means extended reach. It's back here. So it's got a higher reach for dumping into trucks and hoppers, and includes standard features such as a guarding package to protect the machine and the operator while working in conditions, and has an operating weight of 45,770 pounds and a standard bucket capacity of 4.3 cubic yards, and achieves 222 horsepower at 2,200 RPM. So that's through a Cummins QSB 6.7 Tier 4 final compliant diesel engine. Finally, let me bring your attention to the HL975A, way back here. It's an A-series upgrade of the 975 wheel loader, but also features a continuously variable transmission from ZF, a global leader in transmission technology. The ZF C-Power is continuous variable transmission for improved fuel consumption of up to 25% without any sacrifice in performance or power. The C-Power is continuously variable over the complete drive range, going forward or reverse, and provides smooth, solid starts through its continuously variable power split technology. And because there's no mechanical connection between the connection and the driver, there's no wear on the drivetrain system. So thanks again for being such a great audience. Please stay around, get all your questions answered, and see all the new updated models of wheel loaders on display. And if you visit the outdoor grounds, see us at F6914, the festival grounds. And on behalf of everyone here at Hyundai, thanks for spending part of your day with us. Enjoy the rest of your Las Vegas experience. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that was horrible.